So welcome back. We are part 2 in this little series with the Spider. Daniel, don't know, I'm looking at that clock, it's wrong. Daniel should be here in maybe 15-20 minutes to come and get the Spider, load it up and take it to his workshop to prep the car and then paint it. So let's see what I've done to the car last time and the bits that I did after the video to sort of get it ready. So here we are, badge off, seats, doors, everything else all come out. The fuel filler cap I removed. That was an extra thing that wasn't done last time. And I've sort of pushed the rubber underneath and the retaining ring is still around the neck. So you get to that from underneath to refit that. So that can be painted. The only other thing I did actually, I think, was I removed the Renaultsport badge which sits here, which is just glued on, so that came off, and the plan was to replace that with vinyl and the front badge with vinyl because it's kind of cool and saves weight, but that might not happen because I'm struggling to find people that can make stuff the right size, and I don't have a vinyl plotter printer to do it myself yet, so oh well. But yeah, we're kind of getting there, I think. With it, I think it's kind of as ready as I can get it for Daniel anyway. The only other thing that I have kind of added to the list of things to do is, if you look at the lights, this one's glass, original, and this one is plastic. And I do have a spare plastic lens here. So it's obviously lighter than the glass, and doesn't get damaged as easily as the glass. So the plan is to get that replaced while it's with Daniel. You can't get these parts really anymore. People, I think, still offer them, some people, but they are unscrupulous dealers that want ridiculous sums of money for what is essentially a piece of plastic. So luckily I have that one that came with the car, which is cool. Also this week I went to see a friend who works at the Renault dealers in Uddevalla, and he's got a really nice Phase 1 Clio 172. Met him at a car show last year, and I asked him, have you got a colour code book or anything you can kind of show me for colour options to kind of keep it Renault? And he happened to have several of these books, so he gave me this one to have. So we've got some colour swatches here to use. These two, QNC and 369, which is Arctic White and Glacier White, they were used on the Trophy Megane, like I used to have, I think. So that's kind of like a cool little thing, if that is an option. Daniel is obviously going to print up some samples too, I think, and I'm not sure if he's done that for today, but we'll see when we get the car there to work out what colour we might go for. But I am still not keeping the car the colour that it is now, which hopefully will be a good decision. We will see. So let's go get the other car out, the Audi, because I need that to follow Daniel to the workshop. And then, yeah, let's just wait for Daniel to arrive and then pick up from there.
A few moments later.
Okay, so Daniel is here now. So we've had a look at paint codes and looked around the car and had a chat and stuff. So the next thing to do is to basically get the car out of the garage, get it on the trailer. I'm going to attempt to drive it on, which should be interesting because there's no seat. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, this may be a short video, depending on what happens next. Yeah?
Flip over.
Yeah.
I like it.
It's too light.
It's too light, it's stopped.
Oh, of course. You got the engine in back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. If you should do this right, you should
Reverse.
reverse
Yeah.
it up. Yeah, I didn't thought about that. But there's no problem. I'm not driving fast and I'm not going so long.
Oh shit. Oh, jeez. Okay, so we're driving now to Daniel's workshop with the Spider on the back of the trailer. Should be there in about 5 minutes, and then yeah, I'm going to hand over my camera equipment to Daniel to hopefully get some footage of him working on the car. So we'll see how that turns out later on, but hopefully we might get some good stuff there. But again, let's see, shall we? But I'm going to concentrate now so I don't crash into the back of my other car. Okay, so that's it. The Spider is dropped off with Daniel at Obelix. Kept getting the name wrong, it's Obelix like the comic. So the car is just over there, I can see it now. So yeah, that's it. This is the end of part 2. Time to go back home and have some food.